Through this podcast, I have analyzed the exam-oriented questions keeping in view of MCQ, that is multiple choice questions. 81 to 100 question and answers of 1 mark are mentioned here for your reference and easy understanding. New learners, don't forget to press subscribe link button. 81. Who was Shantanu in the Mahabharata? Shantanu was a king and the father of Bhishma. He had a significant role in the events leading up to the Mahabharata. 82. Who was V.S. Sukthankar in relation to the Mahabharata? V.S. Sukthankar was a renowned scholar and the editor of the critical edition of the Mahabharata, which aimed to establish a standardized version of the epic. 83. What is the significance of the Kurukshetra war in the Mahabharata? The Kurukshetra war was a major conflict between the Kauravas and the Pandavas, symbolizing the battle between good and evil, righteousness and greed. 84. Who was Arjuna in the Mahabharata? Arjuna was one of the Pandava brothers and a skilled archer. He played a central role in the Mahabharata, especially in the Kurukshetra war. 85. Who was Bhima in the Mahabharata? Bhima was one of the Pandava brothers known for his immense strength and warrior skills. He played a crucial role in the Mahabharata. 86. Who were Nakula and Sahadeva in the Mahabharata? Nakula and Sahadeva were the youngest of the Pandava brothers. They were skilled warriors and played significant roles in the Mahabharata. 87. Who was Kunti in the Mahabharata? Kunti, also known as Prita, was the mother of the Pandava brothers. She had a complex life and her decisions shaped the course of the epic. 88. Who was Gangaputra in the Mahabharata? Gangaputra refers to Bhishma, who was born as the son of Ganga. He played a prominent role in the Mahabharata as a respected elder and warrior. 89. What is the significance of the Prabhavati Gupta inscription? The Prabhavati Gupta inscription is an important historical source that provides insights into the Gupta dynasty's rule and the status of women in ancient India. 90. Who were the Vakatakas in ancient India? The Vakatakas were a prominent dynasty that ruled parts of central and western India during the 3rd and 4th centuries CE. They made significant contributions to art, architecture, and literature. 91. In which regional languages was the Mahabharata written? The Mahabharata was written in several regional languages of India, including Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and others. It was translated and adapted into various languages over time. 92. What are the different scripts used for writing the Mahabharata? The Mahabharata was written in various scripts, including Brahmi, Devanagari, Grantha, and others, depending on the time period and the region in which it was composed. 93. Why is the Mahabharata regarded as a dynamic text? The Mahabharata is considered a dynamic text because it encompasses a wide range of themes, characters, and philosophical concepts, providing multiple perspectives and teachings that continue to be relevant and subject to interpretation. 94. What is the chronology of the Mahabharata? The exact chronology of the Mahabharata is a topic of debate among scholars. It is believed to have been composed and compiled over a long period, with different layers of additions and revisions. 95. What are the aims of Sanatana Dharma? The 4 aims of Sanatana Dharma, also known as the Purusharthas, are Dharma, righteousness, Artha, wealth and prosperity, Kama, desire and pleasure, and Moksha, liberation from the cycle of birth and death. 96. What are the 6 philosophies of Sanatana Dharma? The 6 philosophies of Sanatana Dharma, also known as the Shat Darshanas, are Nyaya, Vaisesika, Sankhya, Yoga, Mimamsa, and Vedanta. Each philosophy provides a different approach to understanding the nature of reality and the self. 97. What is Varnashrama Dharma? Varnashrama Dharma is the social and moral duty prescribed by the Varna system and Ashrama system, which define the roles and responsibilities of individuals based on their Varna, caste, and stage of life. 98. Who were the non-Kshatriya kings mentioned in the Mahabharata? The Mahabharata mentions several non-Kshatriya kings, such as Drupada, a Brahmin king, Nishda king Ekalavya, and others, who play significant roles in the epic. 99. Who were the Satavahanas in ancient India? The Satavahanas were a dynasty that ruled parts of south and central India from the 1st century BCE to the 3rd century CE. They were known for their contributions to art, trade, and administration. 100. What is the significance of Draupadi in the Mahabharata? Draupadi is an important character in the Mahabharata. She was the wife of the Pandava brothers and played a pivotal role in the unfolding of events. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like.